Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio, and this is Tech Tip Thursday. Now, yesterday Jeannie talked about these windows, the Blossom windows, and now today I'm going to talk about these seasonal panels that we did for the same client. One of the things that I wanted to mention is that these are great big windows. They're about 32 inches across and 50 inches high. And now that they're set in place, they look much smaller just because that's the nature of the beast. It's just like that when we go to put a window in, that it looks bigger on a workbench than it does when we install it. Now, these are really wonderful windows, and what I wanted to talk about on this tech tip was how important it is that we judge how long a window is going to take. Now, those Blossom windows took us a month and a half each, and I had thought they were going to take 2 weeks apiece. Now, these windows were closer to the estimate. They took 2 weeks or maybe a third week occasionally. All in all 10 windows took us right at a year. Now, there were some things that we hadn't planned on. We didn't expect me to have to go in for heart surgery when we started the windows, so that slowed us down a little bit. But anyhow, making sure that we had the time and the resources to be able to build the windows was important. Now, I honestly missed on the Blossom windows. We didn't lose money, but we didn't make money either in the time that we did it. There was a time that we did some volunteer work or some donation work for the Covey Center for the Arts, and I had figured up that we had all the glass that we needed and all the materials so we could donate these particular windows. The thing that I didn't take into consideration during the 4 months that it took us to build the windows, here's something almost scary, isn't it? This is just a step down from where those windows are. We had all the materials to build those other windows, but what I forgot was that during the time that I was building those other projects, I was not going to be able to do other projects, and so that kind of slowed us down. Now, so Jeannie showed you the mural that Lindy Mott did on her video, and on this video I'm showing you the dinosaur that these people have in their museum area. And now here is a shot of the external, and don't those windows look small there? Well, thanks for joining us. I hope this has been valuable.